Karibu sana turirikanie ritwa riaku uria witagwo ndogana raku ra muthenya wa umuthi kuma haria twiriga.
Thegio sana muno mwandu wa Mwangi ni kuninyita ugeni ringi channel-ini yaku. Amarita makwa njitagwo Lydia Mugura wa Mbui, and I'm grateful to be back again. Yeah.
Riria twiriga rugano ruru rwaku ri twiriga wikuria njera. Wauma njera ri Ndogerio tucorera mbica hihi muthuri waku ri na ciana ri wa makorire.
Okay, ndauma njera ndatigita kana gakwa kamwe nyumba tore ndakwirite cause ndakoretwo ndakombora ngioka kunyitwo nilikuwa ndaikarite wiki igiri. So after wiki igiri hindi ndathire ndacokire koguo kana karia kamwe tu ndorite ngathi nako safe house noko ndari nako na ndagakorio ge safe nikarore he mundu wakaroraga. So aria angi atatu ndiari tondu ngiuma thibitari inde ndathite kemo ndakorio already mari athamie nyumba. So ana ngiuma thibitari ndia makorire ngithi safe house ndiathire nao na ngianjia kwĩikaria ndikarite nao. So ndoka ndakorire gaka kamwe no ni ndacokire ria ndathire Gatundu thite shughuli ciakwa tu ngetha ngerie gwetha uria ngetha loan nigetha nyanjie wira ngikora tu tungi. And to be honest, they were not okay. Ana kono kuonia gabica ka hindi o ndamoya aria mahanaga matihanaga wega. So nilienda nikawapata hindi o I think kwa mundu no acoke rugano rwakora hau thutha nida makorire, but the moment sijua manirudi nyuma kidogo ili niweze kuconnect uria ndamakorire. Ndakwira ndauma safe house ndathire ngikombora nyumba ngeikara like 2 weeks. Ndina 2 weeks niguo ndahurirwo thimu ngirwo ni children's officer akinjira we muthitange ngimuria thitangirwo ki akinjira ni ukamenya ngirwo ni ngako ngifatarania ngiheo date ya ngako ngifatana kwa children's office. But before then I had to figure a way out how I will be able to raise my kids. Nyena ndiashiragia uria nguthi the next appointment ya thibitari hakiri ciakwa ciaciragia uria ndanyita ciana icio ingi ciko join shukuru in the new location kuria twari. So ndathi gwetha roni fegi Nairobi nderwo thie mother bank yakwa sako kuria ndamenyerete ku save mbia. Ngira manager pana Mr. Make kwenda huko cause ndiraigua wega na ndire na hinya. Akinjira kiahurire manager ndimwire you are a cancer patient na you are not strong koguo wathi ndukabangira in uthi wingirite. So riria ndathire mother bank yakwa iri yari kuria twaikaraga nake niguo ndecamanirie na neighbor mwa broti twaikaraga akinjira atia ukoretwo kuna ndikoretwo ngikuona ngimwira nie ndio kututo ndiara maundu maingi na nie na bata na gutanishirĩtwo rĩake kana kanitha yake. I was just looking for my own peace. So akinjira he muthuri waku ni athire na twana twe hau ni kwathuthuaga twana twe hau nja tugithuthuirwo. So ria ndigure ciana ciakwa ciku uguo niguo ndamenyire ciana ni ciumire gwicũwe tondu nora ngiuma thibitari ndakorire meidi ngatĩtwo na ciana igathie no gutugo twarete ciana ciari cikare nyumba na meidi nake na ngethie kwao tondu ndiagire no guthie hakuhi na ciana. So ngimenya haya kumbe ciana ni iracokirio. So ni ndarikania na shughuli iria nguthia ni ndengere ngona ciana ciakwa tondu ni ndamisite ciana ciakwa ngethi ngitukora hau nja tuhana uruta kitureirwo twina giko, yani manyuite curu mahana macuru kile kiahuria kiongo next majiria ati mam unaenda na sisi kwenye ulienda. Na ni that was the only thing I wanted my kids. I moved my kids needed amount for them. So ni ndathire ngioya ciana ciakwa na ngimarutira nguo ngimera ikira nguo ihenya na ni ngejeru gwikira nguo bagi-ini na ngihurira mundu wa taxi hindi otayo niguo kumbe ni aratete broti twika twari andu 9 na among those 9 nyumba inya ciikaraga hunjia. But alikuwa mewarat ati magenyo na broti mahena behe muthigari specific mahetwo namba yao magihura. So walikuja in the friction of some minutes kwa gina mundu wanyonire na akira ari angi na magita thigari magita ginya landlord gate kihingo nigetha ndikaume. Anoguo niguo gwaikari after a few minutes ngiona thigari cioka ngitwaro kuria na baadaye akakuja niokire pio hwaini pio. After dani alikuja kitu 5 but it was something all planned. If naweza kurudisha nyuma kidogo ndage ya kana kauka mwisho ka fourth born ajirie sister yake ukorogo US ati aramwirire mwana ucio akinya miaka 2 magathie Ruraya ama ati ku githomo gikoge gia free na kesho yake ugatiri ona gaka kangi ga third born magathie othe. And he was so excited about that. Gimuria terere no girura ati githurai ciana icio ndugeciate ni igathi ni ciriokaga holiday. Ciana icio ciathie ugacigacoka ndegi guciona cina miaka 18 kana 20 ugacira wagira gucira niki kuma ci 2 years. How will you explain to them? How will you explain to them you are the father? Hamuku bond, hamuku na ile time yake ana do ciana ciaku. How? Ni gemura ni siezi accept na kuanzia hapo akaficha. Reka na gaka kaciarirwo ndiamenye ginya kuria bathi yathire tondu we niwe wagiria ahithire bathi. All the time we were living there. Anadhaishi misi kutoka na bathi. Alikataa nazo. Anagigeire ciana cukuru. It was a great struggle. Tondu ni aregire na bathi. But Emily ilikuwa oe ciana atwarire mwari wa nyina but because he was a lazy man alikuwa anafikiria akipeleka watoto akipatia watoto sister yake ni aregetumagirwo mbia. So I don't know dio niki kiaranagia hakiri-ini dio niki kiaranagia hakiri-ini ciake ona hindi no yothe arandengeria riu ngwiciria ciragia riu niona ka opportunity ka kundunya ciana ati riu niaguhota gucinengera mwari wa nyina. But I remember when we were in police station ona tukato akinito na tutire turaria my son aliniambia mom unaona wakati ulikuwa jera dadi alikuwa anaongea na shosho anamwambia ati she will not in jail. Ati mama anafikiria mimi ni mjinga sana kare 3 mimi sielewi kenye wanasema. How can you lot when you are alive? Si mtu amelot ni mwenye amekufa. Ati mari na showe nigwa muriria baadaye daddy jigwiro kira shosho ati mom will not in jail. Kweli amekufa? Ati akimwira mom ndakuite no mom ni wagukua tondu ena cancer. Haezi enda sana na kuria ndari na matibabu. And when she dies mathiko ma mom tugekira nguo cia red and black and I will buy you a suit and a sharpshooter. Hadi wa leo mtoto wangu hajaisahau hiyo kitu. Ndari ariganiro. So he was already planning my burial ginya ni amenyete dress code ya muthenya wa mathiko kiria magekira. It was hard kumconvince yani ni ikaraga kiragi na maundu maria mageraga to ni mahuritwo muno. Ni mahuragwo muno. Unaona hii brand inafunganga pikipiki hapa nyuma ari na kifikifi. Walikuwa wamechapwa. Walikuwa wamejama arama yani walikuwa na maikaraga wamakora ginya mewika rumaera masida makihega kakamwe ndirahotete guthi nako story. They have a very bad memory about him. In a way they told me mom kama ungekufa sisi tungengojea ukishateremshwa hivi tupotee afadhali tuende children's home ama tuende kwa barabara. That's the kind of history mako now and how much he traumatized them. Yeah.
Makira ni magoka mathiko makure makuona mari actiria atia
hiyo wataimu waliniona walinishikilia wakaanza ndakwa the moment dad umekuda mathi manyo na maji tabaki jamaa tunaenda na wewe kwenye unaishi na tondu nona koja gaka kanene kahini gakikiritwo nginya horo wa mathiko you know they were shocked and they were so happy. They were anadame na mekire nguo mekiria speed but before wafike kwa gate hivyo akoria gate ye hige. It was not easy yani it has been hearing over the years until now I can say they are better. But ni makorogo na fear of men so much. Ana sijui kama wanaweza taka hata nioleke. Majira mam afadhali sisi tuko sawa. Sisi tunakuombea ngatu upate pesa, tuko sawa peke yetu. Sisi hatutaki daddy, tunataka tu kukaa hivyo because they have bad experience about a dad. Yeah.
kuma hindi ni marimo na baba o ringi
he rimwe athiite cukuru kwao that year maigira cukuru uguo alienda shule na erirwo cukuru kuri ari ni naitwaje students officer niwe wa amwirire cukuru. It's like alikuwa amehanga hongo yo students officer cause nuna ndahirwo burden yothe na hindi orayo ndakuhe 1 week okotio gutunya ciana icio ndicimunege. Okay, twathi kwa students officer hindi no. Okay, after nimetoka ndani nilienda kwa students office. Wakati nienda kwa students office nyarehire ciana ici ingĩ thatu. So munongeanga alafu ciana igetwo thini acio a officers wanahojiwa, na wakati walihojiwa waliulizwa mnataka kwenda na mama madadi, othe ni mamuregire na makimurega pio. Inawe unakuta students office anajaribu kwa convince baba yenu ni mzuri, baba yenu ni pastor, baba yenu hawezi wafanyia anything bad, but wanakataa. Hata waambiwa mama yao ni anything, walikuwa wanajaribu kuconvinciwa how good is their daddy's but walikataa. So hedino wakati sasa hii time walienda shule, students officer ni amwirire kuria cukuru ciana ciathie cause ndithia kero nyingĩ ciana and everything. Wakati ni manage kwenda shule ni rirwo kuria cukuru ile na agithie ginya cukuru iyo, agithiri tari mbere agikora head teacher ndari kuo, alikos drama hapo cause alikuwa anataka kuona watoto cha nguvu hawamjui, si aliadmit arwakerwo huko wina ciana cietagwo atia, but akiangaliwa hakuna watoto kama hao yeye ameadmit. Anaulizwa watoto wameadmitiwa na nani, hajui, anasema ni mimi na si mimi. I was still so sick. So ni beshte yangu aliwaingisha shule. Kwa hiyo yeye anaguti hadu maraona ni muciari mowe. So aniashokire tena after 1 week. After 1 week alikuta head teacher. Akora head teacher ni ajitie tu drama ile ciake ajitie kugora demo agagoragwo ndiki so many things about me. Akamuuliza huyo head teacher ari mutumia akimuria, mbona unaleta mambo ya nyumbani huku? The light offices iria wageno gutwara kesi tecio urarehe kesi cia kimuci guku niki? Why are you coming to mouth your wife? How is that my business? Me, I'm just a head teacher. Uweterere ciana ciaku outside the gate kana kuna mucamana ija, lakini nisikuone tena ukikuja huku shule. This is not a boarding school na today is not a visiting day at a boarding school ngetha urehe chaos guku. And by the way, you are not the one who enrolled these children in school. So no amuthaithire muno akimuria itanathie ndukireke tu ndimageithie no ciana icio cietirwo kirathi tondu itiamenyaga ekuma na makianja kuinaina. Head teacher akimuria atiriri niki kahuraga ciana ici because wanaonekana wame tense. Akiuga aca ni gwitua maretua. Akiuga mahure mbica, mwarimu akimwira ndingigwitikiria ndwagi no guka cukuru kuhura ciana mbica, nimekata. Niguo amorire atiriri na mnaishi wapi? Hapo head teacher akaona hapa kuna huyu mtu ni kama akona hidden agenda, urenda kumenya kuria maikaraga nigetha wiki atia. Makirega kumwira. By the way, ilibidi ni hame hiyo nyumba because hakuko na hiyo security. Hiyo nyumba tulikaa 2 months tukahama because we had fear and we felt like anaweza kuja na ingia cause mbona uliza kwenye naishi na tumeachana. Yeah, so we didn't have that good utile mundu kona memory njaga ya mundu ucio. But all on all, I tried to talk to my kids nigetha mahil na ma move on and they are doing well. Yeah, because even hedio nedirikana mwana areraga utuku akauga ararota akimuhura ngararota akimutenyeria. It was a journey but right now they are doing great. Yeah.
Ati mwana ararota akimutenyeria?
Kwanza my son na niye alikuwa anachapa sana. Alikuwa anasema mama naota akinichapa, naota akinikimbisha. Maita maige inawe unaona mwana agurumuka akauga abu kire-ini. Alikuwa anashinda akiota na yeye until I told my aunt, ndahuri aunt yako ngimwe ni ndui niki mwana wako ararota, na hata mimi nilikuwa naota na yeye ndoto mbaya sana. Until I prayed about it na kuhora mwana wako na kumwariria. I think alikuwa more traumatized or maybe if there was anything else I don't know. But anaria to ikaraga nake nigetha juge enough is enough. we niendete kugia kahi muno na ndakirite gakare ndakihikite nake ru machungu mothe arutaga nocio wakinyaga even in a normal day angiamwitire tu mwana ucio ajagia kuinaina amwitaga unaona ungita mundu ha mwana ha uria koragwo hititie na ageka kihitie kinene wa mwito unaona ametensa na tetemeka every time alafu angeenda kupitana na yeye hata labda tu ni mkono na move hivi mwana onage echo ni taragu because alikuwa amezoea. Ikafika mahali nikasema no my life mutorio wa ciana ciakwa ni mombete tondu ukoni traumatize ra mwana alafu agatuika ki mwisho in the name of status, in the name ndigetwo single mother, but ndra destroy ciana ciakwa he mundu wina mutwe mwega na ni aramia niki areka ati nigetha njira gwate ndi muthuri angikwa mundu ni akuya kahiwa gutemera mwana githithie ni akunyita mwana akuguthe amuguthe ginya atukage uthio nini nyingine unashika mama yao na mnyonga wakiona life hata sasa yuko uuliza bado huwa wanasema uuliza what used to happen in that house, they will tell you mathi kanitha ni kuhuru manire nigetha kanitha igwike ina andu magana meri. So they have so many bad memories about him. And that's why they fear till today. Wanaogopanga sana nisiayoleka. Wanaogopanga.
Nindu haringi mundu urakorwo akiona rugano ruru ri no geri gutuhutiria na njira ya ukuhe muno ya nikihita no ragweta njera muno na he mundu mugeni hiri utonete rugano ru kuma part 1 nginya part 2 no gerie kwa njira nguhe muno tutaririe niki ya gutwarite njera no wa gutwari.
Okay, kwi mundu ringi ungikorwo ta onete part yo enge amenye how I found myself in prison, Langata women prison. Yate he undu ndekite o kana ndari criminal, I was very much innocent going there. No mundu tu akigeria njira ciake uria angiku destroy kana angikinya mwisho waku wa gutura thino of which ihinda ria Ngai ritiakinyite. What happened is that I was in an abusive marriage. In abusive marriage na ndahiketio ni pastor. And he really made me go through a lot in that marriage. Na diari na wagwika, diari na wa kwira, being an orphan, nduri brother yaku kuhurira, nduri sister, nduri mamu wanyu, nduri fafa wanyu. Na ari andu atwaraneirio nao ni andu stable. Sijui kwa nini watu wako na pesa wapatakangi mambo ya maskini sana. Me I was struggling, they were doing good. So there is no value you are adding in them in their life to give you that attention. So I was going through a lot, but diarai anajiko wati anahoro singepiga hata nduru. Mi sipendi drama, sipendi shame. So hata ningegongwa aje ndigiugire ebu ni ndatwistagwo guoko inawe gutingie kondo no ria kuimbite ukatwistwo kuguru kerwa ngwiraga guoko guko ninde kuna ndakurie next time ngikuhura gakuhura ngune moko na agakunyita guoko agagutwist ukauga mbu ukaugireria akureki unamwambia unanivunja na no ndogikiuga mbu ikuigwika na majirani because nililearn from childhood kuvumilia no matter what I go through no nyumireirie gwika ati at the end of the day nitafanya nitaambia nani. So nime grow up na ile no matter what I should not talk na nafaa kuvumilia. So hata nikiingia kwa marriage mimi nilikuwa najua aje hata nikipitia nini hata nikifanywa nini siwezi ongea navumilia tu because I remember head that wekire so too much. No hedi already nenda break road na cancer. Ngihurira my auntie ngimwira how the man is behaving na nini neguma ajirie te uruma kou othio gathondekithio cancer no na ndirigwire mwina harambe ndureke harambe o ikike nini ngota gwika maharambe ni. So unaona unashanga utaambia nani juu hata kama huyo ni auntie yako ukimwambia na kuambia unafaa kuvumilia urathiko akoja fa kuria te urathiko na ciana inya urathiko na ko ciana inya na corona na cancer okay ogwire haha kwa ni. So ulikuwa umefundishwa tu unyamaze. So na hideno agerageria maundu maya mothe mimi sikuwa naongea. Alafu ndendaga uikana na smartphone na ndendaga uchere kwa mundu na ndendaga ucererwo. Hata mkimaliza kazi ni ari na nduthi oe mwanaki omwe amwire akue na ciana ko drop murago ina shokia. Ajua make sure uko kwa nyumba na uko kwenda ageni mokito venye unakutanga bibi ya mchungaji na mchungaji wanaongeanga na wageni, hakuwa anataka, alikuwa ananiambia that is not my business. Ndikogo ni doya kwa gatwaro nyumba we agatigwo nyumba, of which some of these women they were doing shit with them. So nilikuwa nimeishi ile life ya kujifungia until today. Mimi sijaiweza kukua na exposure, siwezangi kukaa kwa, yani mimi nilishindwa kusocialize kabisa. I live my own life like that. Nilishindwa kabisa. Ana kanisa dano mbona kanisa inaishanga kama mimi huwezi kukuta church imeisha umeanza ndaje kuora story na adoko, hakuna. Even my neighbors, I don't know if they can tell who I'm really am, because I don't socialize with anyone. But ugo nigwa dare kuma demoni nini kikora tena, because we attract who we are. If you are abused, most of ukora attract the energy that you carry. So I think because of how I was and how I dahotireko attract modo bado anani abuse, because umezoea abuse tangu kuzaliwa, kulelewa ukuroita na ndosho. So hata ukipitia aje ndikahota ko open up wele modu gete najua mimi napitia hii kama hivi na rewathi wahana ko kwali yayo uko nyoni nomo ile tumenormalize kuabuziwa na nikiora kora ginya andu makiora gotondo turafundithia ginya ciana citu mutumia ni kuumirerio magereria ni kawaida na ithuĩ twekagwo, you see. And the same thing I could see shosho yangu akipitia the same thing. Ulikuwa nakuta sometimes mushidura ikareka drama vita. So ni kitu nilikuwa nimeona nimegrowishwa kwa hiyo environment bado. So whatever took me to prison, that's where we were. It's my ex. After doma chemotherapy nilienda nikakaa kwa nyumba 8 days, and the 8 days were a hell. They were hell. One thing, alikuwa ameokota pesa na mimi vizuri kabisa. Kwanza adhi yake uga ati dena cancer stage 4. I don't know who told him. I don't know. Toni ndio kani ni cancer ya thyroid itakoragwo na stages, kana ndagitari waregire gutwira tondu twamuria ajira dena cancer damuria stage K, ajiria ati thyroid cancer dikoragwo na stages. Hivyo ndio aliniambia. Lakini yeye alikuwa anaenda akiambia watu, because unaona alikuwa na a big number of pastors he knew. Wathi akiuga makanitha-inĩ ndĩna cancer stage 4. Na ndakwĩrire kadini iria ndutithirie cia kucangithia, aliniambia nisiweke namba yangu. Mimi nilitoa kadi za kwanza 100, namba yangu na yake akashina shio la yake rege. So he had corrected so well. So Guma radiotherapy, mimi from the first day niliingia kwa nyumba, it was a hell. And for the 8 days I stayed in the house, he never gave me even water. Jumire heto nake, jumire gureiro ginya pancake, anything. Gikoma ne ko rathi safe house, it was not a joke. Uko na doneta negora. So from safe house sinikukuja tena ni safe house nilikaa 3 weeks. Alafu gikobra nyobo hede degira deka with wiki ile tugo danyitiro gegeria gukua ciana iria inge. That's how I found myself in prison. No niwe wanyitithiri, but hakukua cause nida thikoti nida donda muri ndatwaro igoti ni gwika atia. Nderuo ni ugathi kumenyera ko mbere. But ni kama uyu muthigari uyu nari mutumia uyu aretwo ingioneka we no ungitwa anyite, ni kama alikuwa anajaribu kunitrick, cause waine mudrume uyo kama andikithia inaitangwa nini yenye wanyitwa andikithagia obi tiga obi thanyitithia wanyitithio nigetha twara igoti-ini iyo wanaandikanga inaitangwa sijui venye inaitangwa mali niliulizo maswali akaandika na akiurio cioria sijui venye inaitangwa hiyo. So after amekuja wameandika hiyo kitu walikuwa marikagia ta kwena andu matathemwe ngiorio wina cash bill
statement
good, I think in the statement ngiorio wina cash bill ya 5,000 thimu-ini yakwa yari na 6,000 ngiuga ende nacio ndauga 5,000 makenjera 10,000 kama walishtuka wako wana expect hiyo pesa wamenitisha cash bill ndi nacio nigetha ndikarare cero ngiuga ende nacio no by the way venye niliingia tu cell mathire makioya thimu yakwa ati nigetha ndikahurire mundu. I don't know the kind of thing the kind of communication menake to toigira ndaigwa toigira haria cero na toigirie na ciana ciakwa. After a few minutes muthigari ayuka akinjitia thimu akijira ndute ndime unlock akaichokora arafu akimioya akimeikira tuciofu twao. Thimu yo ndanengerirwo the next day and I don't know how ndiari na mwaki. Ndanengerirwo the next day gethi igotini. Koguo na ndiari na mwaki ati ninguhota kuhurira mundu mwira ati ni ndanyitwo ni ndato igotini. They were trying everything to make my life miserable in a way ndikuhota kumako. So hiyo time alikuja ndo ni mutumia ucio amunyita mathi nake. Na that woman was very harsh on me. Nikwambia hata alikuwa amesema atanichukua fingerprints thigari igekiraga ati nigetha ndikanathija wa bururi na ngoro na criminal record. Makimuria niki yekite nigetha umwe fingerprints. Walikata kabisa. Alikuwa amekuja na ink and everything anichukue fingerprints. So after Maria nake tweka everything au mutumia ucio agioka, I think alikuwa anataka anitrick akijira nie ndi mwena waku. As if I'm stupid. Niliona venye ulinitreat from the word go. Ninaona venye mnaongea oka ule wa munyita mwathi nake akadoginya thigari ingeshuga hapa kuna kitu inapikwa. Ati nie ndi mwena waku. We wathi kuria igoti-ini ure wothe ukorio kuuga yes. Nona nie ndikenda igira igoti-ini ringi ure worio kuuga yes. But the moment you kuuga no ugakora no wohuo na no wohuo na miaka mingi kesi cia ithako cia ciana itiendaga ithako. Thirikari is so protective to the kids. So nikamuuliza ndathi kuria igoti-ini kiura njira kira kindu ngauga gakorwo ngiuga yes gakorwo AK. Akija ukorio tu kana ni urokire roya ciana ukimenyaga no ageri no report kwa children's office uye yani alikuwa ananiambia nituurie tuhuthu korio we ugaga uthikore igoti-ini da thitangirwo ndatereru ngithomerwo ngirwa I'm being accused of neglecting my kids and leaving them to suffer. Ni ndi ndaikaraita na ciana ciakwa ever in my life. Ngirwo ndama neglected. Iyo tu ndio nilishtakiwa. Neglecting my kids and leaving them to suffer. Hatia na lishtaka ringi. Ndio ndio yandwarire prison. Ngiugasa. Nikasomewa tena ngiuga asha. But I remember before mugirio igoti-ini hega sero mukoo muhingirwo alikuja hapo kwa kasena na alikuwa amefika mapema sana ndamakorio bado na pastor ongi mratayo ayuka akije hendo rudigirite igoti na kijira terere duetekire either ajiri wina option igire either you accept we go home ama you go and lot in jail. Koguo rotire eraga mwana ni ambite ni akajira ndi hari igoti-ini. Ngimwira better lot in jail because I know utakire mehia njikite. Ngirigwa ati mbona unataka lazima nirudi kwa nyumba? What do you want? The way you treat me, you don't care. Or you want me because you still know I'm still fighting cancer. Or bele olde kuhuthira tagitega uchumi giaku kana urenda mbona unataka nirudi because there's no love. Narudi kufanya nini? So that was the reason as to why I found myself in prison. Yeah.
Kumatwa karugano ri. Maundu makoretwo mahana atia?
So I can say I thank God. Todo nilikuwa I told you I was struggling na hata food kwa nyumba. Now I can say I have enough food in the house. Na nidare na nilikuwa na deni kubwa ya nyumba of which nilimanage kuilipa and the rent ya December imelipwa. So I give God all the glory. Yeah.
Mafuku ndatigiririo kiuga mafuku ni uragura.
So stress yangu kubwa saa ni January. Nyana direciria ati kana kwina thikuku kana kwina ke gucokia ciana inya cukuru, it's not a joke. And knowing that grade 9 nita form 1. I told you dinere maraigira grade 9. Na there are a lot of books that they need. Akora mundu ni ati wafuku magana meri A4 cia magana meri o mwana etitio A4 17. Teka tu A4 17 cia ciana ithatu tondu nginya wewe araingira form 4 or grade 4 na au wawili. How much is that? It's a lot. Textbook, Bible, kamus, it's a lot. Ciana ikigira cukuru ni cebata mwana umwe tu no we na bag na kiratu koguo ndafata iratu ingi ithatu bag, it's a lot. Yeah.
Andu aria marogamite nayo ungimera atia?
So what when you alisimama ni I say I'm so grateful tondu ndiakomaga ndakuria ndekara nginya thaa kenda like I was so depressed, but I felt relieved. I felt relieved. I found some peace. I found some encouragement. I really thank God because your audience were not negative at all. Nobody was negative. They were so positive, and that really encouraged me. Sometimes it take a lot of courage because hey, my neighbor, this is what I'm going through. People in charge, they don't know. Even my schoolmates, they don't know what I've been going through. It takes a lot of courage but I can say it's worth it because I have peace. In the midst of what I'm going through, in the midst of struggles, in the midst of many things, I have that peace because sometimes you just need someone to tell you it shall be okay. And it makes you feel better. Titahebia weki gerete. Ni ndirakira go wore mwangai wakagiye rooftop jugebu. You feel you have so much emotions. Otoikore ogoshitwara. You feel like bursting, but the moment you just find someone to call you and tell you it shall be well, na once a stranger, it comes from a genuine heart. I felt good and I'm so grateful. Yeah.
Muthuri ni akuhorire thimu hihi.
Oh my God. And tene Saturday ni ndahoreire because nakuangania block messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, everywhere. Yani kama kuna mtu na feelingi ndienda kuigwa ginya rĩtwa rĩake na ndienda kuigwa mundu witagwo marĩtwa marĩa etagwo, it triggers me a lot. So I didn't have anything to do with him. I said I forgave him, but that does not mean I can allow him to my space or near me. Nyejuga kwa tugacemania matu-ini tugacemania kuu, but sitakangi nyejuga ginya handu ngathugwo na fara jamani nake by mistake. Sitakangi kumuona. He cost me enough. So because ndangeni access in any way, na igoti rĩtia kimuheire rutha rwa ku access ciana. And we have not been cooperating. Alikata ku support. Augire ciana itari under his roof. Haizi support na hajawai ginya twatu kwa children's office hajawai anakugura na fejo. By the way ndakwa athire shuku amatigire shiringi 40. Ama na ile mundu tukumi, ama na ile tukumi tuna. Kila mundu 10 na yeye ai mari mushi makerehero mundu tukumi gake. That's what he did when he went there. So si ati mundu toreraga ciana nake kana amenya yake na ile yake kana ini wake. So on Saturday last week Sabisa de rariho otuko alituma 500. Donire magana 500 maigira. Ndio atumire make. I don't know because ndio kana atumire cia miaka 5 mwaka igana. Tono gode ihoririe because since 2021 it was nilitoka kwake 2020 November. Ni agitumira magana 500 ndio akiuga atiriri basi miaka 5 agagwiciria mwaka oragitumiro igana. I don't know, but I knew he sent that money to trigger me either demuhorire ani record rĩngĩ akĩenja macira rĩngĩ igoti-inĩ auge rĩngĩ ngiugaga he was after something. I just told myself I had a bad night. Ndaigure tu anikoroga muno tondu ni ajokirie thutha kunene muno. But I just told God give me peace. I didn't respond in any way diaririe na sijongea naye na hata siwezi ongea naye no matter what. I cannot have a talk with him. Yeah.
Ciugo ciaku cia muthia kuri ringi atumia aria me thiini wa kihiko ta kiu toxic ri na ringi mahikitio kana makahikania ni ndungata ici ri ungimera atia?
Me I can tell people okay, hindi twathiaga micemanio ndio ndai mwe twathiaga micemanio ya hunjia na ni madathikagiria andu maundu maria marauga atumia mwingine unaona hata wana drivingi wanakaa maisha poa no maundu maria maragererio ni maundu maritu muno, especially this kuna confidence andu magiaga na hunjia, kuna believe Yani watu wamefika mahali ni kama wana worship wachungaji, ugakora ne mchungaji ni atogeretio muno na gukira Ngai. Ukona ginya mundu ndangihoera tondu etikiti ni pastor ahoera Ngai ni akoigwa. Wani wanonanga ni kama tare yani muhuje ni mediator ni ukoragwo arugamite gatagati kao na Ngai. That's how they see the pastor. Yes, we should honor them, we should respect them, but we should not worship them. Alafu I don't know, atumia ukiolewa na mchungaji una feel it's like an achievement. It is not an achievement. It is his calling, na wewe ni ukoretwo no ukoretwo muhuje ukoretwo urugame na andu angi. You encourage wherever you have been called. You are also a servant of God, and before the eyes of God there is no senior or the other. So maybe wakoma worship wakora mutumia arageria maundu because they used to share. Ukashtuka. People are going through in the hearts, and I'm not saying pastors are bad or men of God are bad, but there are them who are so evil na mehithete under the church, under the church, they have hidden under the cover of the name pastor. That nona gataito kau niko mahuthagira because we already tuge hata siku hizi sijui tutasema ni followers ama tutasema ni disciples ama tutasema ni fans. Anajua we na andu magirugama nao magiuga. Unaona hata siku hizi waitangi sana wachungaji maugaga daddy wito, my dad my spiritual father. Wanyaki hesha na shikimwitaga daddy na mami kuria kanitha-ini, so anajua yako na cover. So hata akikuja aseme kitu yako mbaya as a wife, yeye ndiye atasikizwa. Alafu tukakona kaundu kagi dauga onugo ndeka ta mutumia muhujia kanitha guguthia atia kutaenda aje kanisa. Unasahau kanisa si yako. Yesu alitufia and that was final. You cannot die for the church. Unakuta watu wengine wanakufa na depression in the name of gumadumo ugetondo ni ugo nigo deuragia Ngai. Gumadumo adu mo ni ndeko hiki makuatia family citu ni ciguthekerera, arata ni maguthekerera ate cia miguhota kurera ciana itari na ithe. And you ask yourself so many questions, and the more you ask yourself, the more you get comfortable, uka get trauma board. Yani you get used to abusive. Wewe kuhoro ni kawaida. Inawea na waka kuhoro wiki mokonaga kahedo utali mwike. Kuna kitu iendelee because wewe umezoea na unafaa kuchapa, unafaa kutusiwa, unafaa kufanyiwa in the name of salvation. Tutiahonokaga tuhereke. No, salvation was not meant to be abusive. Salvation was not meant to cause you pain. So, what I would tell people who are in such situation, makiririe, unless you don't love your kids. Yes. Unless you don't love your kids. Because kenye unatafuta utapata. Na it's not most people who survive wakiwa hapo. Now, tuedago at the moment unapitia hiyo kitu unasema dakethi jaria na mhujio gitondu tutida kwari na andu matari outside ki ohonokio-ini. Unenanga kuambia mchungaji mwingine na yeye anakuambia aje God hates divorce. But does the Bible says God love abusive marriage? Yes, ni mahutageria kau muno cause hata mimi nilikuwa nimejaribu kuongea na his close friends. I think I talked like with two best couple itwari muhujia na muratawe. But mtu anaambiwa aje gutie kamu kari kaje manyitagane kau Ngai ni athoire ndigano ni hahako handikitwo Ngai ni endete uraguro ni endete abusive marriage. Marriage was meant to be a harmony, to we live in harmony. Why is that harmony? Ore mundu arakuoro ndeka re mundu arakwira urete akina niguo wi mushongi re mundu arakwe ndungiendeka. Yani mtu anakufanya feel worthless na wathigishisho no kariga gwo wi wake. Is that what God created? So it's not worth it. If it is not working, leave. If it is not working, don't force it. Ciana ciaku ni cirabatara kwina andu anyu maragubatara na you have a destiny and a purpose. Ngai ndakurehete thino uthio uguo. You have a purpose. Yeah.
Hi no kihane namba yaku mundu angienda gukwariria.
Yeah, so na last time ndariganio no kwira, yes, I have a YouTube channel, only that sikuangi active. The main reason after me higura channel some years back was just to encourage people, to give them hope and just to share about my life, because hata nikitoka hapa, this was not the end of my life. I believe I have bright future ahead. Na nijugaga whatever you have gone through, whatever situation you are in, whatever pain you are facing right now, or troubles, does not define you. Na tukuwa kuturodo ushio. Those are just stages in life. They are chapters or overcome. You just need to be strong and to face it. Ngai agitekira undu ucio ugere ni aramenya ni ukutoria. So I have a YouTube channel by the name Favor Bobo. So I can request them to follow me there. And if you would want to reach me, my number is 0726 478 452. Yeah.
Mundu agienda gutumira cia mabuku ritwengire hau.
Pardon?
Mundu agienda gutumira cia mabuku ritwengire hau. Yeah. Ritwekure hau mundu agienda gutuma cia mabuku.
Lydia Mugure wa Mboi.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Thank you muno Lydia. Ni witikira guka haha na ukorwo kihe update andu ati mundu eyaria ni ateithikaga. Ndawe ukiri muira na ndeto yo. Eni. Hihi kwena andu makwa makiuria atiriri. Hihi wandu wa Mwangi no korwo hihi ni akoragwo na kati yake agikarugana no korwo hihi ni akiriaga mbeca. Kana ni mukigayanaga mbeca iria hihi urakihoya mafans maguteithie.
Yo, one thing I can say about Natigoko sikukusifu. You are very respectful and professional in what you are doing. Kuna mtu anaweza kuita interview na one thing from meeting him, unaona haelewi kama amekuita interview ama akona shughuli zingine ama ni akukuira after this interview I want this and this. Me I can say you are not that kind of a person. You are just here to do your interviews and to do it professionally and nothing else. Me hakuna kitu kama hiyo uliniambia. You never, all you call to ask, have you been helped? How are you doing? You could check on me every now and then. Kuja already reata ni urata igekira, do you have food? Have you settled what you are going through? But did I work kireta makiri how? And to make the first matter, the first time you called me, I didn't have even fare to come. You bought for me lunch. No kiheginya tikiti wa gushoka. So digekwa kwa associate na maundu tamao. Yeah.
Ndaiguire ukiuga hindu wengi ukiuga nduri arata. Hihi thutha wa kugucia rugano ruru ri no hena arata oyothe ucemanitie na uthini wa family no ya wandu wa Mwangi?
Yeah, I can say since I came here a few people called me and ulikuwa unasikia mtu anakuambia usinyamazange, ukifeel you want to talk to someone you can talk to me, and I pray for that grace cause mimi nakuangala na ungata akupigi unaona rurika gora mundu thimu twanjie kwaria ate because umeishi kuishi that wrong life. So but I thank God for them who called me and nikuigwa noigwa mundu akwira save number yakwa, if you want to talk ndugakire, just call me and don't say again you are an orphan. We are here for you. And I really thank God for that. Yeah.
Thank you.